Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A94 5G, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's enter the version, and I know it may be quite strange for you, but first of all we have to activate developer options, and we can do it just by tapping on the build number. So let me do it. As you can see right now we are in the developer mode, so we can go back to the general settings and enter additional settings. Now let's enter developer options, which we've just activated, and here all we have to do is to simply scroll down just a little bit to find automatic system updates option. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher in it, and from this moment this option is active, which of course means that your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So basically you do not really need to remember about manually not restarting, but updating your device. Just remember about the restart. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually this is it. This is how to enable automatic system updates in your OPPO A94 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.